Batken Region is a region of Kyrgyzstan. Its capital is Batken. It is bounded on the east by Osh region, on the south, west and north by Tajikistan, and on the northeast by Uzbekistan. The northern part of the region is part of the flat, agricultural Ferghana Valley. The land rises southward to the mountains on the southern border, the Ali Mountains in the east, and the Turkestan Range in the west. The population of the region was reported as 380,256 by the census of 2009. Of them, 24.2% lived in the region's 4 towns and 5 urban-type settlements, and 75.8% in the rural areas. The majority, as well as a few Russians. Batken region was created on the 12th of October 1999. From the westernmost section of Osh region. This was partly in response to the activities of the Islamic movement for Uzbekistan, with bases in Tajikistan. In 1999 they kidnapped a group of Japanese geologists and in 2000 some American climbers. In the 2 years, 49 Kyrgyz soldiers were killed. There was an attack on a Taik border post in May 2006, which was probably connected to drug running. In 2021, a conflict over water rights has left 31 dead and 150 wounded on the Kyrgyz side. As of 2009, Batken region contained 4 towns, 5 urban-type settlements, and 198 villages. Its population, according to the Population and Housing Census of 2009, amounted to 380.3 thousand of 428.6 thousand. Official population estimate for the 1st of November 2020 was 546,400. According to the 2009 census, the ethnic composition of the Batken region was. Batken region is divided administratively into 3 districts. There are 4 towns in Batken Oblast: Batken, Isfana, Kizilkia and Sulyukta. There are 5 urban-type settlements, including Shove, Khedakan, Sovetsky, Kadamji and Vostochny. In the Soviet period, 6 enclaves and exclaves were established in the Batken area. 2 were Taik, while 4 others are Uzbek. Sox is an exclave of Uzbekistan, about 24 kilometers east of Batken, the largest of the exclaves. It has an area of approximately 234 square kilometers, stretches from 3 to 13 kilometers from east to west, and about 35 kilometers north to south, and is crossed by the main highway from Batken to Osh. Taiks comprise 99% of the population, which in 1993 numbered 42,800. Chon Kyora and Kalacha are at either end. The Kyrgyz village of Chongkara at 40 degrees 15 minutes 37 seconds north, 71 degrees 41, A, 40.26028 degrees north, 71.01139 degrees east, 40.26028, 71.01139 lies 2 kilometers northwest. Jani Isle is a small exclave of Uzbekistan, about 60 kilometers east of Batken and within 1 kilometer of the Uzbek main border. It measures only 2 to 3 kilometers across. Kyaghach is a very small exclave of Tajikistan, located in the northwest corner of the region near the railway station of Stantsiya Kyaghach, about 130 kilometers west of Batken. The border separates it from the Taik town of Kalacha, hence it is sometimes called Western Kalacha. Shohimadan, or Shekhimardan, is an exclave of Uzbekistan, about 80 kilometers east of Batken and 19 kilometers south of the Uzbek border. It has an area of approximately 38.2 square kilometers and a population in 1993 of 5,100. Uzbeks comprise 91% of the population. Vorukh is an exclave of Tajikistan, with an area of approximately 96.7 square kilometers. Located 45 kilometers south of Isfahan and 24 kilometers southwest of Batken, on the right bank of the Karafshan River. The population, distributed among 17 villages, is estimated to be between 23,000 and 29,000, 95% of which are Taiks and 5% Kyrgyz. The southern mountains offer excellent, but very difficult climbing with many sheer rock faces. Summits are Pyramid Peak and Pixkality. In August 2000, the Batken region received international attention after a group of climbers, including acclaimed climber Tommy Caldwell, was taken hostage by a group of rebel Uzbeks associated with the Islamic movement of Uzbekistan, whilst on an expedition in the Karasu Valley. Speaking about scenery of Karasu, Caldwell described the area as unbelievably beautiful. Tourism is still relatively undeveloped in the Batken region compared to the rest of Kyrgyzstan. In recent years, the government has shown interest in developing the region and many foreigners have managed to visit with the help of local authorities. The nearby Turkestan range is often referred to as the Asian Patagonia by local trekking operators, in reference to the granite towers and the untouched wilderness that define the area.